Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to format vertical axis from chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to format vertical axis of chart in this document. Click the vertical axis. Then click right button on our mouse and go to format axis. Now we can see here opened a axis option. Then we change or formatted this axis. Click axis value, otherwise you can choose maximum axis value. Then check mark on the logarithmic scale or of this. Then tick marks inside, otherwise tick mark outside, or cross, otherwise minor type inside or minor type outside, or cross. You can use labels. Click high or low, otherwise none. Now I select the low. Now we can see here we format this vertical axis very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.